Often, we represent individuals and families who have suffered the loss of a loved one as a result of negligence. When we represent individuals in these lawsuits, it is important for us to explain that there is not one, but instead two causes of action that are filed as a result of the death of a loved one. They are the survival action and the wrongful death action. And the types of damages that are recoverable under each cause of action are very different. Generally speaking, the survival action is a lawsuit that is filed on behalf of the estate of the person who passed away. The estate is essentially all of the assets and debts that an individual leaves at the time of their death. The lawsuit must be filed on behalf of the estate. It can only recover certain types of damages, specifically pain and suffering that the person who passed away suffered from the time of injury through the time of death, and also the loss of earnings that that individual would have earned, as well as their future earning capacity throughout their average work-life expectancy. Now, on the other hand, the type of damages recoverable in the wrongful death action are distinct, especially because they are limited to those damages that are incurred by the spouse, parents, or children of the person who passed away. The damages on the wrongful death side include financial contributions that the person who passed away would have continued to make to their family for shelter, food, other activities that the family enjoyed before the person passed away. The damages also include the value of contributions that are intangible and difficult to measure, such as contributions to the support and the emotional well-being and guidance of the members of the family who have a claim on the wrongful death side. It's also important for clients to understand that whether the case settles before trial, settles at trial, or a jury returns a verdict, the damages must be apportioned between the survival action and the wrongful death action. Typically, if a case settles before trial, a judge will determine how much of the damages should go into the survival action pot and how much should go into the wrongful death damages pot. And that determination is made based on the facts of the case. If you want to learn more about the differences between a survival action and a wrongful death action in Pennsylvania, including the types of damages that people can recover, who can recover, and what needs to be done with the money once a settlement or a jury verdict is handed out, please visit our website and you will find a grid that we put together that identifies all of these differences and goes into great detail about the survival action and the wrongful death actions. Thank you for listening.